In this video, we are going to talk about base. Base are the chemical substances which have a bitter taste. All the bases change the color of red litmus to blue. A base is a chemical substance which can neutralize an acid. All the metal oxides and metal hydroxides, water soluble bases, alkalis. Most of the bases does not dissolve in water, but some bases dissolve in water. Those bases which dissolve in water without any chemical reaction have a special name. They are called alkalis. Thus, a base which is soluble in water is called an alkali. Some of the common water soluble bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, and magnesium hydroxide. Strong base. A base which is completely ionized in water and produces a large amount of hydroxide ions is called a strong base. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are strong base because they completely ionize in dissolving water to produce a large amount of hydroxide ions. Weak base. A base which is partially ionized in water and produces a small amount of hydroxide ions is called a weak base. Ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and magnesium hydroxide are weak base. This is because they ionize only partially on dissolving in water and produce a small amount of hydroxide ions. Properties of base. Bases have bitter taste. Bases feel soapy to touch. Bases turn red litmus to blue. Bases conduct electricity in solution. When a base is dissolved in water, it splits up into ions. Due to the presence of ions, the solutions of bases conduct electricity. Bases react with metals to form a hydrogen gas. When a base reacts with an acid, then a salt and water are formed. When an acid and a base combine, then the real neutralization reaction occurs due to the combination of hydrogen ions present in acid and hydroxide ions present in base to form water. Uses of base. Sodium hydroxide is used in manufacture of soap, paper and synthetic fiber called rayon. Calcium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of bleaching powder. Magnesium hydroxide is used as an antacid to neutralize excess acid in the stomach and cure indigestion. Sodium carbonate is used as a washing soda and for softening hard water. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is used as a baking soda in cooking food for making baking powders. Thanks for watching the video.